Hi guys, I'm back. And as you can see here, we have a bunch of bottles of the Arteza Pouring Acrylic colors. So what I'm going to try to do is sort of a split cup kiss pour and then move it around and see what it does. And we're just going to use the pour colors just as they are. There's nothing else added to them. There's no silicone in them. Nothing else whatsoever other than the pouring acrylic colors from Arteza. So, making noise here, I'm just getting some gloves out. And we're going to attempt to pour two colors in each cup at the same time so that we sort of have that split cup effect. And I didn't organize my colors in any way whatsoever. I just sort of divided them in half and, excuse me, and lay them down. So I'm just going to open up all these bottles real quick. And the reason I have them flipped over, I do this every time I use any kind of like craft paints or any paints out of the tube or anything like that. I flip them over, and that way I can see how the colors are going to mingle together better, if you will. Other than, you know, obviously if you're just looking at the top of it, not real exciting. So just opening all these up real quick. And hopefully I'm not going to put two colors together that are really not going to be happy together, but you never know. Okay, so we've got all of our colors opened up, and we're going to put white just on the top. So don't let me forget. I will probably forget to pour it on the top, but I would like to pour it on the top. So I'm going to start off with just some, I don't know what this is. So this is silver, and this is carnation pink. Just going to squeeze them in there till they meet up with each other. I'm trying to squirt these in there gently, but that's kind of hard to do. These paints are definitely thinner than what I would normally go for. So as I'm squeezing them, they're sort of going down through the other paints. But that's okay. Hopefully there won't be any really super ugly mixing going on. Okay, and we're going to start back over. I think we'll mix it up a little bit. We'll go with, oh, let's see. How about the carnation pink and the blue? Okay, and then maybe some of this silver and some of that dark green. And that is all for the silver. And then let's add a little more yellow and some of this bronze. This is lemon yellow and bronze. Oops, don't want to put don't want to put the metallics on top of each other. Okay, that's plenty for that cup. Okay, so we're going to set that aside. Don't have to worry about silicone or anything like that. I will put the white on last because it's heavy. I don't want it sinking through everything. So we're going to start with, this is metallic wine red and lavender. This metallic wine red is the prettiest color of the entire bunch, in my opinion. I absolutely love it. It's so, so pretty. Then we've got ultramarine blue and pastel yellow. It's not, I don't really need to tell you guys these colors because, you know, if you buy the kit, you can see what the colors are. Plus, I'm always telling y'all to use whatever colors you want to use. Don't follow what I'm using. Because even if you use the same exact colors that I use, you're not going to come up with the same painting. So if you want the painting that I painted, you can buy the painting that I painted. That way you'll have the exact painting that you love. Yes, all of my paintings are for sale. Somebody asked me that the other day. Did I use all the colors? I hope I did. I think I did. So let's go for mixing maybe the, how How about the ultramarine blue and then the wine red again? Because I want to use the wine red. It's so pretty. There we go. And then maybe some of this forest green with, let's see if we have any yellow left. We don't really have any yellow left. How about, no. How about we'll use the forest green with the lavender? Okay, that's plenty. So I'm going to close all these up because I have a really bad habit of dumping over paint on my table at all times. Sometimes in the middle of a video, sometimes before the video. I have had lots and lots of cups of paint dumped all over my workspace before I was even about to begin. So let's get some white over these. No idea what effect this is going to have, but hopefully it'll be a neat one. I didn't put the white down in the paints because I didn't want it to mix in with the colors and make them sort of washy or pastel-y. So let's make sure you guys are still in focus. Okay, we are. Fantastic. Sorry, I have to check that because I tend to go out of focus a lot. Okay, so here we go. We've got our little split cups, and now we're going to do our kiss pour. I'm going to sort of kind of move it back and forth, hopefully, if I remember to do that. Okay, so we're kissing the paints together. Well, that white is just sitting on top and going with everything. I did not expect that at all. Now we've kind of separated them, and I did that on purpose because I wanted the center to kind of look kind of neat. Let's see if we can bring them back together just for a few little drips. Okay. Well, this is certainly interesting. I love how the colors are washed like watercolors right there. Really pretty. I almost wish that I had done that with this, but it's kind of a neat effect to have both there. So let's go ahead and tilt this. The cups are super pretty. Look at those cups. Let's go ahead and pour some on the corners here. Just to get the corners wet. I'm not concerned with what the color is going down those corners because obviously it will definitely be covered up. We have lots of paint on the canvas. Take this one, might as well get this one as well. Because I don't think that corner wanted to be covered. It did not. Okay. There we go. We've got all the corners covered. So now I think I'm going to go ahead and take, this is going to create cells just because of all the air bubbles. So let's pop the air bubbles. I really love this right around here, this area right through there. So pretty. I don't even know what to do with this. And it's already going off. That's cool. That's fine. Okay, let's take it off of, I'm wondering if maybe I want a corner catcher, or maybe, no, I don't think so. We've got so much paint on there. There we go. We lost a lot there, but that's okay. Wow, this is really interesting. Let's go off of this corner. It's fun to watch all that paint go off of the painting. Really would like that center thing to kind of go off to one side. There we go. Let's see if we can, there we go. Okay, so now back to the center. I want to get it to come off of this side too. Even though I'm losing so much of that really cool sort of washiness. That's interesting to say the least. I wish I could get it to go off the middle there. Let's see if we can get it to go off just a little bit. There we go. And I'd really like it to come off that bottom too, so we're going to try and one more time. I'm trying to get some of that pink off of there because there's a lot of that pink on there. I don't like that pink. I think we're going to take it way off of there. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, but there we go. Alright, I know we've wasted quite a bit of paint there. I'm so sorry. I really am. Let's bring back this way a little bit if we can. I don't want to lose any of the stuff on the corner, but I just wanted to get it to move a little bit more. I like for that wine red to move a little bit more, but I don't think it's going to. It's moving a little bit. Okay, there we go. I'm not sure what to say about it. I'm not sure how to set this one. Let's see. No. There is no. I think I kind of like it like that. Okay. Make sure all my corners are covered. That is going to be it. I'm not going to touch it again. I'm going to leave it. I'll probably blow on it after we get off camera. Now let's take you down. You can't help but love the way all these little lines intertwine and mingle with each other. Now you can kind of see the shimmeriness, I hope. That is the, let's see, that is the bronze in that, what kind of looks like orange, that's the bronze. So it gives it a real pretty shimmer to it. And you can just see how cool all the little lines intermingling are. I think we're going to have to do another one of these. And the paint that, you know, the real thin paint seemed to work out well enough. I'm not sure if I would do the white again. Okay, and as you can see, the sides are pretty too. You always want to make sure your corner is done, and it is. And so you can see those. That's kind of a cool view right there. I like that. Alright guys, there's your pretty for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this is the Arteza Pouring Acrylic Colors. The Premium Pouring Acrylic Colors. Nothing else in there. So I've got the link for that product below, and I like it for the kiss pours, or you know, in the split cups. It works quite well. It's nice and it's not really too thick, so it moves around on the canvas a lot, and yet you can still see we've got lots of different colored chunks in there. So yeah, give this pouring paint a try. Even if this is great if you don't want to use silicone or you don't want to use a torch. So those of you out there that are kind of afraid of using the torch, or you don't want to use the silicone for whatever reason you don't want to use it for, buy some of this pouring paint and you can use this, and you can make, I mean, look how pretty this painting is. So, yeah, so check out my links below. And again, my PayPal link is below. I want to thank, you know who you are. You donated to my channel recently, and you're the only one that's donated to my channel in a really long time, so you know who you are. If you donated to my channel, you're it, and I'm thanking you for it. So thank you very, very much for that. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So you guys, you know, like I said, my PayPal link is below if you'd like to donate to my channel. All my paintings are for sale. If you've seen something in the past you like, please email me. I would love to see some of my artwork in y'all's homes. That's what makes me truly happy, is when I, you know, when my painting is off to see someone else and live in a new state. So thank you all for watching. I love you all. I hope wherever you are, you're having a lovely day. See you later. Bye.